The unseasonal rainfall and hailstorms in March have badly affected the farmers in the Agar Malwa district of Andhra Pradesh. The unseasonal rainfall not only damaged the matured oranges but also led to premature ripening of oranges. And with no takes from Bangladesh this year because of duty hike there, the local market is flooded with oranges and farmers are getting as low as 50 paise a kilo in the local wholesale market for their produce compared to rupees 20 to 25 last year. NDTV Siddharth Ranjan Das brings you this ground report from Agar Malwa district.
Desperate farmers have left the orange crop in Malwa on the roads to rot. Unseasonal rains have destroyed the orange crop which was ready and ripe for sale. But now, after investing lakhs of rupees, the returns only 50 paisa to 3 rupees a kilo. Madan Lal Maru from Kanad village expected good returns from his orange produce. 700 trees in 12 bighas of land, but more than half of his crop destroyed. His main worry, how to repay a 4 lakh debt.
व्यापारी के पास जाते हैं तो कहता है कि बोले खरीदारी नहीं है, क्या करेंगे हम इसको लेके?
और मुआवजा जो हम बात करें तो सरकार बोल रही है कि पर पेड़ मुआवजा देगी, आपके यहाँ पे मुआवजे की बात हुई है?
सर हमारे यहाँ तो कोई सर्वे करने के लिए नहीं आया।
Adding to the woes of the farmer is, this year export to Bangladesh has drastically gone down as the government there has hiked import duty.
वो जो उसके अंदर वो एक्साइज या इम्पोर्ट जो ड्यूटी होता है, वो ड्यूटी लगभग वहाँ की सरकार, वहाँ की बांग्लादेश गवर्नमेंट ने डबल कर दिया है। उसकी वजह से लगभग जो 400 से 500 ट्रक इंडिया से पूरे महाराष्ट्र, एमपी, राजस्थान से जो बाहर जाते थे, वो लगभग एक तरह से मतलब कि रुक सा गया है। उसकी वजह से यहाँ की लोकल मंडियों में खपत नहीं हो पा रहा है।
The orange crop in Agar Malwa district was damaged last year because of the drought-like situation. The farmers here were hoping that this year they'll be able to recover from the losses. The crop production, as you can see, has been bumper, but because of unseasonal rains in March, they are now forced to sell it at very low prices, which means more losses despite a good produce. In Agar Malwa with Zafar Multani and camera person Rizwan Khan, Siddharth Ranjan Das for NDTV.